outside of it, y'all.
Marcel TV, baby.
What up, YouTube? This is Marcel. Y'all watching Marcel TV. I'm out here in Vegas, man. I'm at the Shelby Museum. Let y'all see it. Hold on. I'm gonna let y'all see it. I'm at the Shelby Museum. We about to take the whole full tour of the Shelby Museum. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all like how they build the cars and just let my man talk, give y'all a history of it. If this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe, give me a like. You know what I'm saying? Hit the notification button so you don't miss a video. And we're gonna get into this video.
It's the outside of it, y'all. Look. That's how they look on the outside. Out here in Vegas. I'm gonna step on the inside, let y'all see what the inside look like before we take the tour.
Thank you.
Are we in your shop?
No, you good.
What's the worst?
I didn't touch it. No, I didn't. It's defective. There.
All these Shelbys, look at all these Shelbys, y'all. It's hard.
With the engine. We'll work with the intake and exhaust, make it breathe a little bit better for you, but we're not going to mess with the engine. But you're still going to get new suspension, tires, wheels, interior, the dress-up package to make it smooth. Now you can do one of a couple of things. You can bring us your late model vehicle. You can have one delivered with the full bill. never leaves that lift, and the technicians will go around and they'll all work on it. The shop supervisor, on a normal kind of build, he tells me that he can get a car done in just about 30 days. He also tells me that if he's got 2 good techs and nobody
2020. Super snake right here, y'all. Look at all that footage, man. Y'all can't really understand me what I'm saying. It's because I got a mask on. That's why. So excuse my voice. I got a mask on right now. I'm trying to stay corona free. Show y'all these Shelby's though. I know I had to come here. It is. Got a Shelby truck right here. Crazy. Commercial TV. Since 1962, y'all see it. Got some nice Mustangs in here, that's for sure. I'm sure I see what's going on over here. I really like this truck too. Alright, so I'm about to sign the Shelby wall. Let y'all see the wall. So I'm about to sign it right now. Here it is. Marcel TV. My wife, she's signing the wall. Oh. Ash Cash. Ash Cash. Marcel TV. Alright y'all, that was it for today's video. I went out to the Shelby Museum. I had a really good time. I learned a lot about Carroll Shelby. I seen a lot of Shelbys, from the very first Shelby all the way up to the, the current 2020 GT500. Me and my wife, we signed the Shelby wall. That was definitely legendary to put my name on the Shelby wall, you know what I'm saying? And to do it with my wife, because y'all know I love Mustangs. Shelby GT500 is my ultimate dream car, and one day I will be bringing one to the channel, you know what I'm saying? So y'all just stay tuned, trust in the process. We will bring a Shelby to the channel one day. But yeah, it was just a real good experience out there, If y'all ever been there before, comment down below. Let me know when y'all went. How was y'all experience about it? And make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We are definitely still growing. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all give me a like on this video. And I'm going to see y'all on the next video.